Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notifications from the three different state universities, and it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications with only post graduation as well as the PG plus UG Senate. Okay, so with only post graduation you can get 25,000 rupees per month, and with PG plus UG Senate you will get the 1,82,400 rupees per month up to. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And after watching this video, if your subjects are not covered, then please mention your subject or the requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the matching recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the advertisements of the three different state universities. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So out of the three universities, it is the first one we are going to see. It is a Doon University, established by the government of Uttarakhand. And if you go down in the official website of this one, here you may check down that notification for the recruitment of professor, associate professor and assistant professor as well as the assistant librarian is there. Okay, so click on the departmental wise vacancies, right? So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this one, guys. So school or department wise vacancies for the post of assistant professor and assistant librarian. It is academic level 10, 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month will be available. And the school of languages, assistant professor in Chinese language and Spanish, German and Japanese and English language. And here as per the caste category wise also the number of vacancies are provided. And coming to the school of social sciences, economics, psychology, MSW and anthropology. And in the school of mass and media study, assistant professor vacancy, and in the school of management as well as the environment and natural resources. So here the environment technology, MTech, and the school of physical sciences, physics and chemistry, and in Dr. Nityanand Center, so geography, right? And the next one is geology is also there, and assistant librarian position is also there. So total 27 vacancies are there. Fine. So these are the different departmental wise vacancies are providing by the Doon University, guys. And if you want to check the eligibility criteria, then click on this one. So you will be directed to the what are the different eligibility criteria for this positions. Fine. So all these eligibility criteria are as per the UGC 2018 regulations, guys. That means the candidate must have the master's degree in the particular discipline with 55% of marks. Besides fulfilling this qualification, the candidate must also have the UGC NET or CSIR NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, so these are the qualifications, and there will be a 5% of relaxation will be there depending upon the caste category. Anyhow, you please check down to get the accurate and more details in the official website, as well as the links I will provide in the description box of this video. And the same qualification is also for the assistant librarians. Okay. And coming to the general instructions and how to apply means, here the click here to apply online is there. So you just click on this one, guys, and then you will be directed to the online application form. So you have to register and then fill up the online application form. Okay. So I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. Then you will get all the links here itself. Okay. So department wise vacancies, eligibility recruitment, some general instructions, and what are the screening guidelines. Screening guidelines means how they are going to select. Right? So all these things will be available to you. And coming to the next recruitment notification from another university, that is a Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University from Delhi. So there is an employment notice is there. So applications are invited from the eligible candidates suitable for employment for faculty at the position of assistant professor purely on a contractual basis. But while coming to the Doon University, whatever the vacancies announced for the positions of assistant professor and librarian as well as associate professor and the professor, these are the permanent vacancies, guys. Okay. Fine. So coming back to the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Delhi. So here at present there is a requirement of 7 candidates tentatively, which may increase and decrease as per the requirement, to engage them at the position of assistant professor purely on contract basis in the School of Letters. Okay, the term of engagement on contract basis will be for 1 or more semesters, which is extendable if required. And coming to the qualifications here, in the discipline Hindi, master's degree with 55% of marks, and along with that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. PhD in Hindi and 1 year of teaching experience comes under the desirable. Okay, but even though if you don't have this one, okay, only post graduation, say you can apply for this one. Okay. So here one and only one subject requirement is there from this university, and the age limit is not more than 63 years, and honorarium will be paid based upon the fixed emoluments, not less than the monthly gross salary of regularly appointed assistant professor as per AUD or the UGC norms. Fine. So the few more conditions are also given here, so you please check down, guys. And anyhow, I'm suggesting you to please go through the official website of this one to get the accurate and the more details. Okay. So commencement of online application form 30th October 2021, and the last date for the submission of online application form is 11th November 2021. Hard copy or printout of online applications need not to be sent. Okay, so you have to just only apply online through the website. No need of sending the hard copies to the university. Fine. So here the different formats are also given here. You may check down, guys. And coming to the next university is the Kurukshetra University from the Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So in this one, there is a requirement is there for the position of the pharmaceutical sciences and subjects of pharmaceutical sciences and their related subjects. You may check down here. Total 6 vacancies are there, part-time or the lecture basis. So whoever the interested candidates, master's degree in the pharmaceutical sciences, may apply with their curriculum vitae, so with email as well as the mobile number, along with the self-attested copy of all testimonials in the name of Director, Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Kurukshetra University, or online on email ID. Here the email ID is also provided, latest by 10th November 2021 by evening 5 o'clock. Fine. And the CV should include the percentage marks obtained in the master's degree examination, the details of registration as a pharmacist, and higher degree information, if any. That means if with only master's degree you can apply this, no problem. Even though if you are having the PhD, then you apply. But PhD is not the mandatory qualification for applying this position. So for eligible candidates who are having the master's degree in the pharmaceutical sciences, will be 500 rupees per hour will be available theory lecture, and 250 rupees per hour for the practical, to a maximum of 25,000 rupees per month. That means with only post graduation in the pharmaceutical sciences, you can earn 25,000 rupees per month in this Kurukshetra University as per this advertisement. Fine. So how to apply online and all these things means, please visit the official website of the Kurukshetra University and then go to the careers section, and then you proceed to applying for this one. Okay, guys. So total is all the different notifications that I want to show you guys. So one is the Doon University from Uttarakhand, and next one is the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, and the next one is the Kurukshetra University. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means, as of right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys, can utilize the opportunity.